Hello, in front of me I've got DJI RS for Mini. In this video I'll show you how to assemble camera mounting plate. In the beginning, you can assemble your camera mounting plate without this part. Simply, you can use this. Firstly, screw your camera in and then place this part here. Then roll this button to adjust the position of the camera. In the end, lock your camera mounting plate. You can also use this part Don't forget to lock it. And then you can place this one here. To unlock the mounting plate from the rolling plate, right here on the back we've got the button we have to press. And now we can slide it off. Same as here. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.